So this is Kooleen, and the first thing I thought when I saw her was, I need a keychain like this, cause she's so cute. Well, this doesn't apply to her personality and drawings, cause both of them are edgy as fuck. Now I don't think I need to give you further information, cause you probably already know her. And if you don't, go search her for yourself. By the way, just a few days ago, Kooleen dropped a new challenge saying, people could either fix her arts or follow her tutorials, and she will react. Now I'm not too desperate to see her reaction, or maybe I am just a little. And I choose to follow her tutorials instead of fixing. And I got two reasons for this. First, I don't really want to fix someone's art that doesn't have the same art style as me, cause maybe that's just an art style thing. Unless it's an obvious shit like this. And second, I'm not too fond of roasting people. Maybe I like it just a little, but not today. Anyways, let's get to cooking, babies. The first thing I want to try is feet tutorial. And I promise if I learned how to draw feet, I'll draw y'all free juicy feet pictures. Okay, let's get to work. I lowered her tutorial's volume because I didn't want it to get a copyright strike. I don't even know if she restricts her videos or not. Anyways, this really was an amazing tutorial. Now I think I'm the master of feet and I can draw any kind of feet I want. So if you want any kind of special feet that is your type, just send me the details on my Instagram DMs, babes. I'm gonna draw it and send it to you. It's linked down below, by the way. How do you like it, and how about that little cute accessory? The second tutorial I want to follow is a famous Kooleen juicy lips tutorial. I'll just follow the tutorial step by step. Now let me tell you, the lips I draw is just chef kiss. This might be juicy, but the one I draw is majestic. Anyways, recently someone has been blowing my comment section with hate comments. I don't really know what I did to deserve this. They just came up with a new comment saying that I tried to copy Kooleen's voice. Now this is kind of funny because whenever I see someone with a lower pitch voice, the comment section is filled with comments saying they try to copy Kooleen. Now stop saying this because this is really annoying. Anyways, let's add the final touches and bam bam bow. Juicy lips. Anyways, it kind of looks like cherry. The fourth tutorial I want to follow is the Kooleen sick eye tutorial. Now I don't mean sick and cool way, I mean sick and sick way, L way, because they really look like they need some sleep or they need to quit drugs. Okay, let's draw it. So the first thing you draw is a parallelogram. Oh my god. Okay, so we'll just copy the steps as it is, and I'm pretty sure mine is gonna turn out the same because I'm amazing. Anyways, I just skipped some part because it was just getting really boring, so I'm just gonna show you the results straight up, baby. And this is the eye that I drew while copying Kooleen's tutorial. I think it's really amazing for the first try. This is the last tutorial I'm gonna be copying, and it's nothing else but the juicy butt tutorial. Now juicy butt is one of the very things that I always wanted to learn, because what am I gonna send my bestie at 3 a.m. if I don't know how to draw juicy butts? Now I can even draw her with juicy butt, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, kidding. If my bestie's watching this, you know yourself, and don't be afraid, baby, I'm not gonna do this to you. I also learned how to use layers in order to shade a fabric. For example, multiply layer for shades and screen layer for light spaces. And then you can just blend it with airbrush and it will look really good. Now, while I'm giving the last details, wanted to tell you that if you're still watching it, please like, share, and subscribe, because I give a really big sacrifice for this video. Well, you know, my mom and dad are like one of my very first viewers, and they'll probably watch this one too. And if they do, I'm cooked, baby. I'm cooked in a bad way, almost burned. So if I stopped uploading, you know what happened. By the way, this is the final result. And now it's time for the last drawing, which is drawing Kooleen in her art style. I use this picture as reference, but I changed the pose slightly because I wanted to give her, like, you know, a little seductive pose. This was probably a hell of a work, but I managed to do it because I love you so much. So if you're still watching it, please do hit the bell icon because that really helps a lot. Anyways, I hope I didn't lost my own art style. I also used some other Kooleen drawings as reference to like add shades around the shoulder, around the face, also the way I colored the hair. Do you remember the hater I mentioned earlier? Well, that person keeps on writing Kooleen misspelled. That's why I'm gonna name the drawing Koolean instead of Kooleen. And so far, this is the result. So we drew a butt, a feet, a lip, an eye, and also a Koolean. Here we go. So if Kooleen watched this video, your drawings are sugar and spice and everything nice. Rate how I did every single tutorial, because I think I really did it great. That's pretty much it for today, and for the next video, we're gonna send strangers oily Shrek drawings in Discord. Actually, I was gonna do it today, but I haven't downloaded Discord yet, and I haven't finished the Shrek drawings to harass people, so let that be for another week, baby. Watch this one too if you're still here, and bye. Have a nice week.